Throughout the course of history, disease outbreaks have ravaged humanity, sometimes disrupting entire civilizations. We are yet again facing the odds of survival. Despite medical and technological advancements in the 21st century, a 2015 study shows that a 1918 type pandemic in the present scenario could gravely affect 21 million to 33 million people. According to World Health Organization guidelines, creating awareness, maintaining personal protection, and practicing hand and respiratory hygiene could mitigate the spread of an infectious disease and reduce the numbers of cases drastically. Do you prioritize health over wealth? Safety over comfort? It's time to embrace our new normal. If healthcare isn't an option for you, say yes to personal health. It is better to prevent sickness from reaching us rather than to seek a cure that's out of our reach.
Addressing the prevailing scenario with the help of our survey of more than 500 people from schools, colleges, and corporates, and 80 plus hours of research and product development, we bring forth to you our project Aran. Project Aran aims to cater to the major safety and hygiene needs of the people through the supply of our product SAKE, Safety Assurance Kit by Enactus REC. Through SAKE, customers get to customize their own kit from our wide range of safety products. Our products range from face masks to bioenzyme cleaners, ensuring holistic safety for our customers. SAKE is modeled to be supplied in two variants, the standard kit and the premium kit. SAKE is also aimed at the production of profession-specific kits based on the survey conducted. Mr. Bharani, our hub manager, after 50 plus hours of marketing guidance and skill development offered by the team of Enactus REC in warehouse management and consumer handling, now solely supervises the operations and day-to-day working of the warehouse and also deals with our sales and services. Our sales are obtained via both online and offline modes. On receiving the orders, our products are assembled with utmost care, while ensuring all the safety precautions and guidelines issued by the government are followed in our hub located in Purushottam, Chennai. The storage and assembly warehouse has 7 workers engaged in the process of assembling the kit, who will be replaced by self-help group women after assessing the COVID situation. On packaging, the orders get dispatched and delivered by our logistics partner. Customers receive a timely notification on the status of the orders via the messaging app. Starting our operations on the 15th of July 2020, we successfully delivered 200 kits, gaining a total revenue of Rs 46,000 in the first week of operation. With the support of our collaborators, Equitas Small Finance Bank and the Change Foundation, a Chennai-based NGO, SAKE aims at creating one entrepreneur by surging his or her monthly income by Rs 15,000 per month and positively impacting the lives of 7 women employed in the assembly line by Rs 6,500 a month. SAKE works towards achieving a working asset of Rs 10 lakhs by January 2021 by inculcating a completely digital platform for consumer end services. The idea which won Enactus India's Ideas for Impact contest is now a reality. SAKE featured in the Times of India for its sustainability and relevance to the current scenario. With periodic analysis on ever-changing customer needs and market dynamics, Project Aran will set up a sustainable business and self-reliant entrepreneurs.
Wait, is that it? We have ended up living amidst 13.6 lakh syringes, 4.75 lakh masks, and 4 lakh PPE kits, which take over 450 long years to degrade, ultimately contaminating the streets, drains, and oceans. India's 550 tons of biomedical waste generated per day is expected to reach 775.5 tons by 2022, contributing to 17.22% of total waste generated. Hospitals globally are witnessing a sharp rise in disposable waste from 500 grams to 5 kilograms per bed per day. Who is accountable for all of these? It is us. An improper disposal of a used mask could directly affect 10 people. So, who's ensuring our safety in this regard?
அரக்கோணம் நகராட்சியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாம் கீழே இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் எடுக்கிறோம். ஒரு நாளைக்கு 100 மார்க்ஸ் 50 மார்க்ஸ் எடுக்கிறோம். அதெல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து நாங்கள் கீழே போட்டு திணி நாங்கள் எடுக்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு நோய் பரவுது. அதுக்கு வந்து எங்களுக்கு தனியாக ஒரு பின் அமைச்சு கொடுத்தா நல்லாயிருக்கும்.
40 lakh such workers directly risk getting infected by COVID due to our improper waste management system. Why? Where does the change begin?
Let's quickly run through the biomedical waste disposal technique. Step 1, waste generation. Step 2, waste collection by sanitary workers. Step 3, 72 hours isolation. Step 4, shredding. And step 5, incineration. But this process happens only if waste is segregated. Even in a metropolitan city like Chennai, 75% of biomedical waste is left to rot in the open. To identify the cause, we conducted a survey and asked people why they couldn't separate these waste. And the results were shocking. 50% of the people felt they lacked a bin. 30% of the people felt it was an unnecessary expenditure. And 20% of the people lacked awareness.
Yes, for most, all they needed was a bin.
That led us to introduce our Red Bin initiative.
Red bins are designed to indicate used and disposable plastic items in biomedical waste management. We do the same. Our bins are designed to facilitate non-contact disposal with a fully closed lid that ensures safety for the users. Now, how do we take red bins to the people? That takes us back to our survey. 30% of the people felt it was an unnecessary expenditure. In that case, okay, we'll do it for free. Yes, free. Our bins cost rupees 250, but who are the investors? Our customers. For every kit bought through SAKE, 5% of the kit price goes to Red Bin. Taking the average kit price as rupees 250, for every kit sold, 12 rupees and 50 paise goes towards the Red Bin. For every 100 kits sold, we install 5 bins. 20% of the people lacked awareness. To address this issue, we introduced Binfluencers. Binfluencers have the following roles. Step 1, finding an efficient space for installation. Step 2, installation. Step 3, creating awareness to people in that space. Step 4, bin assessment and review. For every installation, our Binfluencers earn rupees 100. One Binfluencer can monitor up to 20 bins. And thus, we solve people's needs, thereby creating a culture that assures safety to over 40 lakh sanitary workers. With our current projections, we will be installing 250 bins by the end of August and 1000 bins by October, ensuring safe disposal of 90 tons of biomedical waste, assured safety to 300 sanitary workers, shielding of 5.6 million people from indirect virus transmission, and an additional income of rupees 2,000 for 50 Binfluencers, thereby creating a combined income of rupees 1 lakh per month.
Project Aran achieves the ultimate goal of protecting you from others and others from you. In line with our government's vision of Swachh Bharat and Make in India, we are being vocal for local. Through our collaborative efforts of SAKE and the Red Bin initiatives, Project Aran creates 2 direct entrepreneurs and over 65 indirect beneficiaries with a combined income of more than 1,60,000 per month, creating over 2.5 lakh media impressions. Over 5.6 million people impacted indirectly, ensuring safe disposal of over 90 tons of biomedical waste and satisfying 8 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Our team of 45 members contributing over 900 man hours, made the vision and mission of Project Arang into a reality. Our team is driven by a dream to make a difference, a dream to improve society on the whole.
We believe.
We become. We inspire.
We are Enactus Lakshmi Engineering College.